So na namin na-consider. Ano pa kami nahuman. Sa mangita pa kami. Because we're budgeting. Kumagawas kami. Oh, they don't make station IDs like that anymore. Family is forever. And what is so busy kayong street sa Danao, no? As busy as us. Ayan, naka-feel ko rin ka ng kuan. Emotion nga ka ng feeling nga sunder. Sunder? Like all these people right here, they have different lives, different errands, and probably problems that they're facing right now. Tapos, among problema karon, ang naka-unique, among problema karon, kaya mangita may Christmas lights. However, kanina mga na-encounter karon, kaya they must be tired, about to go home because their wife is waiting for them, their children are waiting for them. And it's really good to think about that people we encounter every day have life that's waiting for them ahead, like have their errands. Just like us, but in a different manner. So, Morato, it's nice to think that we encounter people who's facing. Oh wow, there's a flower! Pero yun na, ay, okay guys! Ano ba ka nag-con? So, na-share ka ng kuan. Thunder nga. Dala lang! Ay, it makes me think that these people right here are gonna have different thoughts inside their mind. Like us! No, labang kanin. And then, dapat careful ta sa paglabang kay walay pedestrian. Pero mora to. Dala lang. Tapos, sulod mi sa Princetown now. It's actually a warehouse. And it's been a while since I ever stepped my foot right here. Then sa una, kay nana siya ko din ha guys. Nana siya playground sa una. Then our parents used to leave us there. Tara nga ng entrance! Mora to.